with their mental health.
And with that in mind, this has been especially hard on our neighbors with disabilities. Experts cite new research that shows people with intellectual disabilities are at a higher risk for bad COVID-19 cases. KAMC Laura Laughead talked to a local family with a special needs child on how they're handling the pandemic.
We just don't know how it would affect A, anybody, and B, someone like Olivia. Something as simple as a cold could put you in the hospital long term. So it's been hard.
Like most 5-year-olds, Olivia Anders loves laughing and making jokes. She also has cerebral palsy, something that makes her family watch her health every day of a given year, not to mention during a pandemic.
Every single day that I drop her off at school, I feel like this horrible, terrible, heavy weight in the pit of my stomach. Like, today could be the day that she gets it.
New research from Fair Health and Public Health England shows that adults with intellectual disabilities are at a greater risk of getting COVID-19 and suffering from COVID-19 complications and even death. Dr. Jeremy Dalton with Covenant says the same thing. But surprisingly, when it comes to kids with disabilities, they can overcome the virus.
With children, the vast majority of them have mild symptoms. So even if they have some sort of disability, they're usually not at higher risk for a serious illness.
However, there are exceptions, so he encourages patients to play it safe. Anders says the best way to help families like hers is to follow the doctor's orders and keep following our safety precautions.
It's the neighborly thing to do. It's the Christian thing to do.
Not only could it save her daughter's life, it could also save yours. Laura Laughead, KAMC News.